ayun nga guys, after natin kumain sa Paparotti, papunta na tayo ngayon sa Dubai Fountain. Let's go guys! Ayan guys, as you can see, yung mga shops dito guys is yung mga high-end nila. So ayan, kung gusto nyo mag-shopping at gusto nyo ng mga high-end items, dito kayo pupunta guys. Ayan. Hi guys, nag-share muna ako. So as you can see, ang ganda ng CR nila dito, di ba guys? Ayan. Before tayo pumunta sa fountain, share muna tayo. So after natin mag-touch guys, on the way na tayo ngayon sa fountain. Since actually guys, hindi ko naman to first time na pumunta sa Dubai Mall. Pero since kakabukas lang kasi ng Dubai Fountain, so it's a must try and it's a must see. So pag pumunta kayo guys sa Dubai Mall, actually marami na rin kayong tourist spots na makikita. Like nyan, Dubai Mall, Dubai Fountain, yung waterfalls, tsaka Burj Khalifa, Wings of Mexico, tsaka yung Chinatown ng Dubai Mall. So, ayun na nga guys, nakalabas na tayo sa Dubai Mall. So, andito na tayo sa area ng fountain view or ng fountain. Pero as you can see, it's still crowded. Partida guys weekdays pa yan. So, what more kung weekends, diba? So, mas maraming tao. Pero preferably, kapag gumagala talaga ako, gusto ko talaga yung weekdays kasi wala talagang tao. So, less hassle yun for me, diba? Especially ganyan yung crowd. So, kailangan talaga tayo mag-adjust sometimes. De, joke lang. Just a brief description lang guys with Dubai Fountain. Dubai Fountain contains a choreographed fountain system located on the 12 hectares artificial Burj Khalifa Lake at the center of the downtown Dubai development in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The name of the fountain was chosen after a organized by the developer Emaar Properties, the result of which was announced on the 26th October 2008. So pag nakapunta na kayo dito guys sa Dubai Fountain side, makikita nyo na rin yung view ng Burj Khalifa, which is as you can see on the video. Pero ayun nga, since crowded, enjoy nyo na lang yung view. So, pag pumunta kayo sa Burj Khalifa, guys, meron siyang lake, di ba? So, pwede kayong mag-rent dyan ng boat while nag-stroll kayo sa front ng Burj Khalifa. Hindi ko sure kung magkano yung yung fee, pero ayun nga, nakita ko na meron palang boat ride dyan. Just a brief description, guys. Yung Burj Khalifa is also known as Burj Dubai before its inauguration. Is a massive or mega tall skyscraper in Dubai, UAE, designed by Skymore, Owens and Merrill. It is the world's tallest structure. So without any further ado, enjoy the Dubai Fountain Show. Thank you. Ito na guys, yung pagkain namin. Meron kaming hargaw. So, ayan. Hi guys, perfect yung timing namin. May naglalaro ng hockey dito sa Dubai rink nila. Ayan guys, oh.
Orange, yes.
Hi guys! Ito yung loob ng Dubai Mall guys. Actually, halos lahat ng mga stores meron dito. So, kung pupunta kayo sa Dubai, tapos gusto nyo mag-shopping, dito na lang kayo pumunta. Kaso medyo culture shock kayo kasi malaki siya masyado, hindi nyo makakabisado pag kunan yung punta. Pero kapag open times na, ayun, okay naman. So, ganito naman guys yung view ng Dubai Mall from the outside. So, ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga high-end brands. I think that's the Fashion Avenue. So, ayan, ang ganda guys, diba? So, that's it for today's video. So, I hope you enjoyed this one. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys. See you on next vlog. Bye-bye.